Hi students. So far you studied that is the connectives. Okay, first today you should seeing that is mathematical logic, introduction of mathematical logic. Next after that is statement and notations. After that we will study the connectives. What are the connectives there? So connectives we studied that is negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional, biconditional. Okay, and we studied these connectives and we solved some problems based on these. Okay, and also that is statement formulas. What is the statement formula? Statement formula consisting of that is primary statements plus connective symbols and parenthesis symbols. So that is called statement formula. And also you studied all the truth tables of all the connectives. Okay, and also you studied all the we solved some problems based on negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional and biconditional. Okay, so next concept here that is well-formed formula. Okay. So that is WFF. This is very important. This concept is very important. So every year this question is asked. That is maybe the 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay. So only theory they will ask. Okay. So 2 marks they will ask the definition, or 4 marks or 5 marks they will ask the what is the well-formed formula and discuss about this. Okay. So that is 4 marks or 5 marks they will ask. Okay. So that is well-formed formula. Okay, so here we studied that is statement formula. Okay, what is the statement formula? Statement formula consisting of variables or components. Components means that is the primary statements plus connective symbols. What are the connective symbols? That is negation, conjunction, disjunction and biconditional, conditional. So in the statement formula consisting of these connectives plus that is primary statements plus parenthesis. So whole this is whole whatever the string that is called that is statement formula we studied there. Same here also in well-formed formula means same here also. The same definition will be coming here. See here, the statement formula, any statement formula is an expression, is a string, is an expression, is a mathematical expression which is a string consisting of components. Components means here the expression is a string, it is consisting of components. Components means primary statements or primary statements, like the primary statements we are denoted as the alphabet letters, English alphabet letters A to Z. Okay, so whatever these are called components or primary statements, or we can call variables in the expression in the statement formula. We can call variable in the statement formula. So the well-formed formula is a statement formula which is consisting of string, which is the string and consisting of first one component. Component means primary statement, which is consisting of primary statements plus parenthesis. Parenthesis means brackets, opening bracket, closing bracket, left bracket, right brackets. So that is the parenthesis. And connective symbols. Connective symbols means that is conditional, biconditional, conjunction, disjunction and negation. So these will be connective symbols. Okay, so here statement formula is an expression which is a string consisting of that is components, primary statement plus parenthesis plus connective symbol. So these whole expression, whole string is called well-formed formula. Okay, so in the statement formula we studied what is the statement formula. Same definition will be there in well-formed formula, but here the well-formed formula certain rules will be there. Certain rules to construct the statement formula, how the statement formula will look. So certain rules will be followed for the statement formula. So that is well-formed formula. So well-formed formula is a statement formula which is a string consisting of that is primary statements, parenthesis plus connective symbol. So these whole we can call as that is well-formed formula. Okay, and certain rules will be there. How the statement formula is to construct, to write the statement formula, how it is in the form of well-formed formula. Okay, so that is some rules will be there. So total 4 rules will be there. Okay, so that rules, first one, that is a statement variable standing alone is a well-formed formula. Any statement for any primary statement alone. See, alone means that is a single variable that is p. Okay, so this is one statement, this is one statement formula, this is one well-formed formula. Okay, so any primary statement standing alone, it does not have any connective symbol symbol, does not have any parenthesis brackets, so still it is considered as a well formed formula. Okay, that is first rule. The first rule states that the primary statement standing alone means that the single primary statement will be there, no any connectives, no any parenthesis, so that standing alone, that is primary statement is called, that also considered in the well formed formula. Okay, so that is the first rule of well formed formula. Okay, second rule states that if A is a well formed formula, see here, A means here one primary statement variable. Okay, A is a well formed formula and its negation, then the negation of A is well formed formula. Any statement formula is a well formed formula, then its negation also well formed formula. Okay, suppose if P that is conjunction Q, this is well formed formula means its conjunction, what is the conjunction of its negation, what is the negation? P, negation of P conjunction Q. So this is also well formed formula. Okay, so that is the second rule states any statement formula is well formed formula, its negation is also well formed formula. Okay, so that is the second rule states. Okay, so third rule, see if A and B are the well formed formula, there are two primary statements, both the primary statement is a well formed formula, then it's all the collectives, then it's A conjunction B, A disjunction B, A conditional B, A biconditional B. So these will be the well formed formula. Okay, understand this one. So any two primary statement A and B is a well formed formula, then it's all the collectives. Its all collective is the A conjunction B, next A disjunction B, next A conditional B, A conditional A, biconditional B. So these all also well formed formula. Okay, so this is the third rules. Okay, so that is third rule. And fourth one is string of symbol containing the statement variable, connectives and parentheses. This is the fourth rule, is the definition of well formed formula. Okay, fourth rule states that any string consisting of the components, the variable or primary statement, one and the same. Components, variable or primary statement, that is one and the same, plus connective symbol plus parenthesis. So these will call that is well formed formula. This is the fourth rule of well formed formula. First rule, see here, first rule, that is a variable standing alone. So single primary statement is also called well formed formulas. Okay, a single statement is also called statement formula, that is also called well formed formula. And second rule, if any statement formula is well formed formula and its negation is also well formed formula. Okay, that is third rule, that is if any two primary statement is a well formed formula and it's all the connective symbol, it's all the conjunction, negation, conditional, biconditional. Okay, so these will also the well formed formula. And fourth rule, that is it is any string consisting of, that is components or variable or primary statement plus connective symbols plus parenthesis. So this is called, that is well formed formula. Okay, so fourth rule is the definition of well formed formula. Okay, so understand this one, this is very important. And see some example of the well formed formula. So first one here, so this is the well formed formula. Whatever now up to whatever you studied, whatever you solved the statement formulas, either truth table, either truth tables, so those are the statement formulas. Those also called as a well formed formula. Okay, so this is the one example of statement, example of well formed formula, that is negation of inside bracket P conjunction Q. So this is the well formed formula. Okay, so second example, negation of inside bracket P disjunction Q. So this is the well formed formula. Okay, so next one, the third, P conditional P disjunction Q and outside bracket. So this is the well formed formula. Okay, whatever you solve the problem truth table, the constructed truth table for statement formula, those all are the well formed formula only. Okay, so next here, so which are the not well formed formula? Okay, so see some example which are not well formed formulas. Okay, so first one, in this negation P conjunction Q. This is not a well-formed formula because see here, if you calculated negation P conjunction Q, that is maybe possible like negation outside and P conjunction Q. This is a possible and either negation P conjunction Q. So there are two possibilities coming. Okay. So and if you construct two table of both the expression, both the statement formula, that will come different. So that's why this is not a well-formed formula. You cannot directly take as a negation P. Okay, or directly take as a negation outside brackets that is P conjunction Q. So this expression has to come like this. Then only that is valid. Otherwise, like this. So this also valid. Okay, so that is not a well-formed formula. Okay, second one, see here, P condition Q, there is the brackets, and next conditional conjunction Q. Okay, so here all the conjunction, disjunction, conditional, biconditional, these are the binary operations. It required two variable, two primary statements. Okay, and that is negation will be unary operation. That required only one primary statement. That is enough because the primary statement. But here the conjunction or disjunction, conditional, biconditional required two variable. But here in this statement formula we have only one variable with the conjunction operation. So that's why it required one more variable, but that is not there in the statement formula. So that's why this is not a well-formed formula. Okay. So here some primary statement is missing in the with the conjunction operation. So that's why this is not a well-formed formula. Okay. So third one, the third example, this is the third statement formula that is not a well-formed because here bracket P conditional Q, but we are not ended the right that is the right brackets. We not close the brackets. So that's why this is not a well-formed formula. Okay. So next here, fourth one, P conjunction Q conditional Q. Okay, and bracket will be there. So here we are the left bracket is missing, the opening bracket will be missing. So that's why this is not a well-formed formula. Okay. So these examples are not a well-formed formula. Okay. So well-formed formula means that is sufficient to solve to construct a two table. Okay. So all the necessary, all the brackets, all the connected symbols will be, and all the primary statement has to be there. Okay, so that is well-formed formula. Okay, so here we studied this well-formed formula. So we studied definition, rules, and some examples of well-formed formula and which are not well-formed formula. That also we studied. Okay, so this is very important and very important. So it will ask 2 marks or 5 marks different questions. Okay, go through this video. I will send the notes also. Go through, read the notes. If you need doubt, you can ask. Okay. So next video we will solve some problems. Okay, and some next concept we will have to see that one. Okay. So thank you.